Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have it says meter detector, but it's really a metal detector. When you get things from China, sometimes it's spelled incorrectly. But you get the idea. So this is what it looks like here. Oop, and I dropped the battery. Okay, so this is what it looks like there. So metal detector. Looks nice and official for sure. Open up this battery. I'll be able to put that inside it. So if you're having an event or you want people in your house or you just think some of your kids are stealing some stuff from you or whatever like that, you can just kind of run a little test on them here. So let's see what we got here. We have the battery compartment just opens up back here. What did it say? It's a plus goes there and minus goes there. Okay. There we go. So I guess it worked. I heard the beep. And so now it looks like there's different settings there. So we'll have to look up what all the different settings mean, but we get the idea here. So this is the scanner. Oh, it's really not much of a strap here. You can just put this in belt loop, so that'll put you on a belt loop so you can look official as well. But then you take it out here, and this is the scanner. So then, as we go by metal, it beeps. I think I have an implant. I do. It beeps. I have a Inspire implant on my, oh, and there's my watch. How cool is that? It'll beep on any of the stuff. Right there on my little Inspire. Oh, I also have a necklace on. Oh, maybe it's my necklace. No, the Inspire beeps too. Oh, the necklace doesn't. Or maybe it does, I guess it does. But how cool. And I guess the different settings here for different, maybe different, there now it's just vibrating. I don't know if you guys can hear the vibrate, but yeah, so you can change that. I think this is just different sensitivities maybe, but how cool. Really neat little device here, just very cool. Scanner, so there you go. So if you want to have a scanner, you have this one here. It's a little power off right there, but how cool is that? Totally works, you saw just here. Great for like metal detecting, so if you're out there in the sand or something like that, and you just want to find stuff, you can just kind of breeze it through and it'll beep too. So lots of different options for this. Very cool, and a nice little sleeve for it as well. Very, very cool. Oh, did I do that? I guess I pushed it on too hard. But you get the idea. Super cool. Nice little device here. Oh, that's because I have it upside down. Like this. And that will clip around here. Oops. I just turned it back on. Where's the switch? Oh, right there. There we go. So, very cool. Thumbs up for sure.